average between 15 to 16,000 meals per day. So we serve between 70 to 75% of our enrolled children healthy, nutritious lunch each day. My name is Brian Chirito. I'm the Director of Child Nutrition for Madera Unified School District. We like to say lunch at school, not school lunch. We've really taken on the concept of go fresh. Kids nowadays are much smarter. They understand what food is. So some of the things we've done is we've created a Chipotle-style burrito bar and provide them an environment of what they see out in everyday life with their moms and dads. We try to bring the innovation out in what we do, whether it's fresh local farms, fresh distributors, or local companies that we buy our food from. That's what helped us go towards Rationale. It's just a different feel. The same product cooked in an oven compared to cooked in the Rationale, the quality is just better. And it gives us a lot of opportunity to use different products and fresh products and elevate the quality of our food. At least 50 to 60% of our products are probably cooked in the Rationale. At the elementary site, like Virginia Lee Rose, it's 100%. Every single day they use the Rationale, and that's the only thing they cook with. The quality of food that we can produce out of this kitchen is far better than what we can see at a normal kitchen that we currently have. The oven is really telling you when to load it, when to unload it, when to take it out, how much time is left. But the extra kicker at the end is that you don't have to clean the oven, it cleans itself. I tell other directors all the time, if you're willing to think outside the box and think high-level quality food, come and watch what we do and how we do it and let it speak for itself.